Battery pack is one of the important components of electric vehicle which constitutes 40% of the total vehicle cost. Battery pack consists of lithium ion cells. These are monitored by a BMS system, that is battery management system. In today's video, let us understand what is battery management system. BMS is an electronic system that monitors and controls rechargeable batteries in order to operate safely and efficiently. It consists of control unit which monitors the battery pack. Each cell is monitored for its current, voltage and temperature. All these inputs are taken and they are processed using control algorithms which produces outputs such as state of charge SOC, state of health SOH, produces outputs of for thermal management, power optimization. All this information is communicated with other ECUs. Also, it is sent to the display unit. Let us understand the key responsibilities of BMS. First one, cell monitoring. The charging as well as the discharging of the battery cells need to be monitored. So it is monitored in the form of state of charge and state of health of battery. State of charge SOC is an indicator of power remaining in the battery, as you can see. State of health SOH indicates overall health of the battery. So this information is useful for battery maintenance and lifespan management. Power management. SOH and SOC parameters must be maintained under the specified limits. During charging, BMS determines current permitted in each cell. During discharging, BMS makes sure that the voltage doesn't go much low. Electric vehicle safety. So the batteries, there can be a leak or thermal runaway which can result in hazards. So voltage, temperature and current data need to be monitored. Diagnostics. BMS Diagnostics identifies the faults, stores these issues as trouble codes to fix later. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to always. Also press bell icon to get notified.